Hello and welcome to the Tech Narratives. Today I wanted to share with you my latest project. As you probably already guessed, it's about Leatherman bond and curl modifications. It turned out that Leathermans are great for making mods because most parts are standard and interchangeable between different models. However, disassembling bond or any other similar model as rebar is impossible without proprietary wrench. I bought mine for about 15 bucks. I was really impressed with compactness of bond and curl models, and my goal was to keep weight as low as possible while combining basic tools like one-handed opening blade, scissors, file, can opener, and as much screwdrivers as possible. Total weight I got is about 196 grams. And before we start, I would like to say that the idea of this mod is not mine. Initially, I saw it on Reddit about a year ago. It was posted by a gentleman with the nickname Courtney22. Thank you very much. I will leave a link below. And also some other ideas about inner tools I borrowed from Max Level EDC channel, link below as well. So let's start from the outside. As you can see, one half is from Leatherman curl and the other one is from Leatherman bond. Here we have a pocket clip that initially comes with curl, but I obviously put it on bond part. Actually really nice and comfortable clip, to say the least. In here we have one-handed opening blade. It's probably not as slicey as Victorinox, but on the other hand, it's much more heavy duty, thicker, there is a liner lock, and it also cuts great as well. And as you can see, I added cord wrap onto the opening hole to be easier on my thumb. I leave a link below with an instruction video how you can implement this for yourself. And in the inside of the curl half, we have scissors, basically standard Leatherman scissors. They're probably not as good as Victorinox, but in most situations these cut very good as well. And next to the scissors we have PH2 screwdriver from Leatherman bond, and I modified mine as shown on Max Level EDC channel. Basically, I've grinded one half of the screwdriver. It was like that on both sides, but I grinded one half. And this allowed me to accommodate additional can opener. So basically, the can opener sits inside screwdriver's slot. On the other side, inside bond half, we have another screwdriver. It's a bit driver with double-sided bit, PH3 and PH0. Then we have flathead screwdriver. This comes with bond in stock, but I made it a bit narrower and also polished it with the diamond paste. And then we have two longer tools. The first one is saw and the second one is file. The saw is from Leatherman rebar, and in order to accommodate it properly, I had to make a small bevel on the spine of the saw. I hope you can see it. This is the first bevel, and the other one is on the other side. Here on the pliers. So this basically allows two knife handles to close properly. And finally we have a file, really nice and comfortable file, really aggressive, and I added my typical chisel on the end of it. So that's basically it with the knife. But since now I am a Leatherman enthusiast, I must have a pouch with overpriced gear and accessories. So I'll briefly show it to you. So the knife sits in that pocket. Next to it we have Leatherman ratchet driver with a Bosch bit. One side is PH2 and the other one is PH3. Also here we have USB-C flashlight. It's plenty bright. It has a pocket clip and also has a magnet. On the other side we have Knipix Cobra 125 adjustable pliers. Really nice and sturdy pliers, much stronger than in the Leatherman itself. Really cool and useful tool. Next to it we have a small diamond file, and inside the pouch I have a bead kit from Leatherman. 1 and 2 plate. And also inside the pouch I have a piece of a Swiss card. So basically I wanted to carry with me a toothpick, a pin, a pen, and the tweezers. And basically what I did, I had another Swiss card and I cut a piece of it. So it was probably like that. I cut a piece of it and added additional slots for the pin here and for a toothpick here. So basically I have all these implements on me as well. Pen, tweezers, and the pin. So that's all I have to share for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.